welcome to the All Saints Catholic School e-learning. The big idea that we'll be looking at today is drawing and how this crucial aspect of your GCSE Art and Design studies can be done in a number of different ways. By the end of this video, you'll have an understanding of the range of different drawing techniques that you can use to support your GCSE Art and Design sketchbook studies. Drawing is a key part of developing your ideas in your sketchbook. It should be used to document your research and investigations into other artists and also communicate your own ideas. Drawing and mark making can also be used to record observations about a subject and show experimentation with the formal elements such as line, colour, texture and tone. It is important to note that whilst drawing is crucial when researching and developing your ideas, it can also be used as the main medium for your final outcome. An interesting fact to note here is that you do not always have to draw with a pencil. Other media that can be successfully used to draw with include graphite sticks, charcoal, pen, biro, oil pastels, and even rubbers. We are now going to look into our big idea of drawing a little bit more. The first technique that we are going to explore is a tonal pencil drawing. Now, an understanding of how to capture light and shade is really important when drawing. Remember that a B grade pencil is softer and darker compared with the H grades. This means that a 2B or a 4B graded pencil are both much more suitable for capturing a tonal drawing. When applying your tones, carefully study where the different areas of light and dark are in your subject, and aim always to capture a full tonal range. What we mean by that is to not just capture the deepest, darkest tones and the brightest, lightest ones. We would expect to see in a successful tonal drawing all the medium and mid-tones, as you can see here demonstrated both in the image on the left-hand side by one of our students and also the tonal range at the bottom of the slide. You should be able to see every single tone on that graded rectangle within the drawing. And also remember, as mentioned previously, you can always use a rubber to recapture the brightest, lightest tones on your drawing. The grids technique is a useful method of capturing a drawing with great accuracy. To draw like this, you firstly lightly draw a grid, a bit like the squares in your maths exercise book, over your reference photograph, and also do the same thing straight onto the surface that you are going to be drawing onto. You then capture your drawing by using the reference points within your grid to help you accurately translate the visual information within each square. We suggest focusing on one square at a time, working from the left to the right of the image. Initially, spend time capturing the form and shape of the whole subject. Then go back to each square individually and add the tone and texture marks. This technique is beneficial as it allows you to break down your reference image into smaller and more manageable sections, therefore increasing your accuracy. Great work, everyone. You now have a secure understanding and confidence of some drawing techniques. Now search for the Working It Out video to help you understand this big idea and how it links to your GCSE Art and Design studies.